Kubor ka Batisi TV. Lawan Rashapi da ka Frank Motors. I am Tata Punch. Price starting at 5.80 lakhs. Ringkat bat ka net foodish. Ordar mapi nginwan ra amangi hakir dob yeng jongpi.
Ki Borsin Shar jong West Jante Hills District Shen kin sa Weng no ya Katto ganne ki speed breaker ha ki laitali ki jaka bat ban bu thamai pan sha ki we pat ki jaka kani garai ka long hadin ka jingle jurep ki Borsin Shar District ha kan riu tarik urisau arjar arpuar ha ka bala senran lang do executive magistrate u superintendent of police ki engineer na katana PWD bat katana transport bat ki we pat ka jing pelong ya ka jing jurep ka dai hadin pa ki senjuk ki nongnya kali kamai taksi ki badan hapo kalama jongka West Jante Hills Taxi Owners Driver Association kalau ujor sya Deputy Commissioner jongka West Jante Hills District uba BS Solia ba ka jingbun palat ki speed breaker hapo kasor Jowai nadu New Hill hadu mi metro kalawan rai ka jingtheng gali bat ka bakata ya kamai ka ji jongki nongnya taksi.
There are 9, serially there are 9 and there are 9 locations, and we will, from the main road junction near Kiangnamba Government College, we have decided to improve by switching to a softer version of the rumble strip. Then main road near junction to Tomium Memorial School to make improvement by switching to a softer version of rumble strip. And in Memory Colony, Muralong, in front of Vishal Megamart, that rumble strip will be removed. It will also be removed in the Mukurduk Junction, main road in front of Vitran Inn. And then on that will be then installed a softer version of the rumble strip. Then at the out in May, the rumble strip will be removed and will be transferred to La Stadium Road near the Yau May Junction. Main road near La Thalbo Playground. Make improvement by switching to a softer version of the rumble strip and extend it to cover the whole width of the road. Then at main road near Jaintia Secondary School, remove the rumble strip altogether, and there is no change on the main road in front of St. Mazzarello School. There is no change. So basically, and other notable observations, we will have to repeat the zebra crossings along the stretch of road to prepare the rumble strips on the main road near the junction to Jowai Circuit House, New Hill. And there's also a need, and there's also unnecessary orders will be passed to convert the one-way exit junction to main road from Thomas Jones Senior College into a two-way lane, and also to convert the unused area near the junction into a private parking space, non-commercial. That's according to the report of the joint inspection today. And necessary orders will be issued according to the report submitted by the team that went for the joint evaluation and inspection today. I think this as probably the decisions taken by the inspection team today. First, we will improve by making a softer version of these rumble strips and removing some of them. That will, I'm sure, improve or rather ease the flow of traffic considerably from this area that you mentioned just now.